Have you ever wondered how a small courier service can transform into a billion-dollar empire? Picture this: a world where packages and parcels are delivered with the swiftness of a gazelle and the precision of a hawk. This isn't a far-fetched dream. It's the courier transportation business, a realm ripe with opportunities for growth and innovation. You see, the courier industry is more than just transporting packages from point A to point B. It's about understanding customer needs, optimizing delivery routes, and leveraging technology to create seamless experiences. It's about the thrill of making connections, the satisfaction of a job well done, and the promise of a brighter future. So, whether it's a local flower delivery service or a global logistics provider, the courier industry is a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation. The courier transportation business, my friends, is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Let's start our journey with the story of FedEx, a courier company that started from scratch and transformed into a global giant. In the early 70s, a young Marine Corps veteran named Frederick W. Smith saw potential in the courier transportation business. He founded Federal Express, a name later shortened to the iconic FedEx we know today. In the beginning, FedEx had its fair share of challenges, but with a clear vision and relentless determination, Smith drove the company forward. He introduced overnight shipping, a revolutionary concept at the time that boosted the company's growth. From handling a mere handful of packages in its early days, FedEx now delivers millions of packages daily across continents. It's a testament to the power of innovation, resilience, and a customer-centric approach. FedEx started as a small courier service, and now it's a name synonymous with courier delivery worldwide. FedEx isn't the only success story in the courier transportation business. Consider the tale of 1-800-Flowers, a company that blossomed from a single flower shop into a leading floral and gift provider. Their secret? Harnessing the power of the internet, they revolutionized the way people buy flowers, offering convenience and variety at the click of a button. Then there's Roadie, a relative newcomer that's redefining delivery. Born from the gig economy, Roadie connects people needing to ship items with drivers already heading in that direction. It's a smart, cost-effective model that leverages existing road trips, and it's put Roadie on the map in a big way. These stories of growth and innovation aren't just inspiring, they're instructive. They show that with ingenuity, determination, and the right strategies, even the smallest courier service can make a big impact. 1-800-Flowers and Roadie are testament to the fact that with the right strategies, any small courier service can become a major player in the industry. So, what does all this mean for you, the aspiring courier service entrepreneur? Well, let's take a moment to reflect on the success stories of FedEx, 1-800-Flowers and Roadie. These companies didn't just appear out of thin air. They started as small operations fueled by big dreams and a relentless work ethic. Their founders didn't shy away from dreaming big. They weren't deterred by the size of their ambitions. Instead, they rolled up their sleeves and worked tirelessly towards their goals, constantly innovating and adapting to the changing market. They took the courier transportation business, a field often overlooked, and turned it into a thriving industry. Their success is a testament to the rewards that come from chasing dreams, no matter how lofty they may seem. Remember, every big company was once a small business. So, dream big, work hard, and who knows, you could be the next FedEx, 1-800-Flowers or Roadie.